Hello, this is Group 12's PSA on alcoholism. Background of the issue. According to the CDC, alcohol is the third leading cause of death in the United States. It kills about 88,000 people annually in the United States. It is second to only tobacco use, poor diet, and physical inactivity. In 2014, it contributed to 9,967 deaths in driver-related fatalities, which was 31% of the overall driving fatalities. It increases one's risk of developing several different types of cancers and may increase the risk of dying from certain types of diseases. That being said, alcohol abuse is something that shouldn't be taken lightly. A problem, foreign and domestic. The issue of alcoholism goes far beyond just the United States. Alcoholism has continued to increase in prevalence around the globe. In 2012, it contributed 3.3 million deaths globally, which equates to 5.9% of the world's population at that time. That equates to about 277,500 people every month, 63,462 people every week, 9,041 people every day, 377 every hour, and every 1/10 of a second somebody dies from alcohol-related issues. Excessive alcohol use damages the body. 1 in every 12 adults suffers from alcohol use disorder or alcohol dependence. Alcoholism drastically affects the bodies of individuals. Drinking large amounts of alcohol can cause pancreatitis, liver inflammation, liver disease, high blood pressure, and many other detrimental body issues. How alcohol affects the brain. One example of the way alcohol affects the brain is called wet brain, which is basically symptoms of dementia. When it gets to that point, it is very difficult to be reversed. Shockingly, 40% of all hospital beds in the United States are being used to treat health conditions that are related to alcohol consumption. Alcoholism affects more than just the abuser. In 2014 alone, alcohol-impaired driving fatalities accounted for 9,967 deaths. Every time an individual that is drunk gets behind the wheel of a vehicle, someone's life is being put into danger. 10% of children live with at least one parent that has alcohol problems in 2012. Alcohol misuse is very costly. It costs the United States over $249 billion annually, with 75% of the cost being due to binge drinking. Here are some facts on binge drinking. I'll cover a few very important ones. 1 in 6 U.S. adults binge drinks about 4 times a month. Drinking too much, including binge drinking, cost the United States about $249 billion in 2012. 37.9% of college students ages 18 to 22 report binge drinking in the past month, compared to 32.6% of other persons of the same age. Alcohol is temporarily fun, but comes with permanent consequences. In conclusion, excessive alcohol use, including underage drinking and binge drinking, drinking 5 or more drinks on an occasion for men, or 4 or more drinks on an occasion for women, can lead to increased risk for health problems such as injuries, violence, liver diseases, and cancer. Therefore, being aware of these health consequences is very necessary. The CDC alcohol program works to strengthen the scientific foundation for preventing excessive alcohol use. Exploring their website would be a great start to increasing both knowledge and awareness for the prevention of excessive alcohol use. Thank you for watching.